Let's be real here. Working a 9 to 5 job can cover your bills, but does it cover your dreams? What about financial freedom? What about early retirement? Or just breathing room at the end of the month? Today, I'm breaking down real side hustles that actually work. Even if you're working full-time, I'm talking about low startup cost here, flexibility, and even income potential. Whether you want to save more, get out of debt, or even build wealth, these side hustles can actually change your life. So if you love this topic, please give it a like and stay with me to the very end, because I'll be sharing with you my favorite side hustle and why it's so perfect for beginners. So the first one is freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Do you have a skill like writing, graphic design, voiceover, video editing, or even social media management? There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour where clients are actually looking for things to be done for them. Clients are actively looking for talent on these platforms. The beauty there is that you set your hours. You could decide to work in the mornings, you could decide to work in the evenings, you could decide to work only weekends. It's up to you and how you want it. And once you're able to get a few reviews, your income will just start doubling up very fast. Like I have someone that does logo designs, and in a month the person is just making at least more than £1,000 just by working on the laptop in our own time and in the comfort of our home. So the tip I'll be giving you here is pick a particular niche that you want for yourself so that people can know you fast and you can quickly rise up from there. The second side also I'm sharing with you is selling digital products. Have you considered that? If you're good at organizing information, consider creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, think planners, templates, and even online courses. Because when you create it once, it can sell forever. You can use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even Teachable. A simple budget planner or even a meal planner can bring in passive income every single day. The reason why it can work with you even doing your normal office work and all that is because you only need to create this thing once, and then it will keep selling for you even while you're away doing other things. The third side also, I really love this one, but I myself, I know that I've not really been keen with it, is print on demand. Even with being monetized on YouTube, I should be able to sell some stuff, just that I've not had the time to actually create those things. But I tell you, this is real passive income right here, and you want to make do with it. The good thing about print on demand is that you can do it even if you're not on YouTube. You can set up an account and you can do print on demand business while you're making your money passively. If you're on YouTube and you're not monetized, you can also do print on demand business without being monetized. Anybody at all can do it. All it takes for you is to create, do your design, pick out your templates and all, and get it running. So if you don't want to deal with inventory, all you need to do is print on demand, because it takes away all the art chores from you. All you need to do is, once you have set everything up, people will pay, and then the company itself will be able to do everything and also post it to them and give you your own share of the income, and that's it. You can design t-shirts, you can design mugs, phone cases. Of course, in fact loads of companies doing this. They will handle the shipping, the printing, and the delivery as well. So if you're creative or you even know how to use Canva well, this is a very good way to earn. I tell you for a fact that one design can actually make you over £500 in a month, and that right there is passive income. So if you want to go this way, you can use trending quotes like moms, dog lovers, faith-based messages. They do sell a whole lot. By God's grace, I'm going to be working on mine very soon. I've delayed it for too long. Another side also is affiliate marketing. This one is underrated. All you need to do is to recommend a product that you are already using and earn a commission once somebody buys through your link. It's as simple as that. You can actually do this through a blog, through YouTube, through TikTok, or even a WhatsApp group. For instance, if you're the kind of person that loves skincare, all you need to do is to create a list of your favorite Amazon items and share it. Someone clicks, buys, and boom, you get your commission. And the best about this is that it runs while you sleep. So you could be sleeping and earning money. You just wake up and realize that you have some cool cash. What's as good as that? So the last one I have for you is virtual assistant services. If you're organized and you can manage calendars, email, or even basic social media tasks, you can be a virtual assistant. I've seen so many people do this one and they make good money. When I say good money, they really make money. And it can be done from anywhere in the world. It is virtual. You don't have to be in the same location with the person that you're working for. Entrepreneurs are always looking for help. You can work just 5 to 10 hours a week and earn up to 20 to 50 pounds an hour depending on your skills. So to do this, you can cold pitch small business owners, or you can also use platforms like Billy, Freelancer. So I said I was going to tell you my favorite side also. It is YouTube, content creation. Come, let me tell you something. When it comes to YouTube, think long term. It's not something that you're looking to, start just making quick cash. It's about long term. It's a long term goal. So the earlier you start, the better. Go and check people that are, really doing great on YouTube. They've spent years. They spent time to build their community. In fact, even if they don't post in 3 months, any day they decide to post, you will see millions and millions of views. That is YouTube for you. For me, this is my best when it comes to side also, at least for now, because it's a long-term thing. It's a long-term passive income platform. I haven't seen any platform, any social media platform that pays like YouTube. It's a long-term thing. You take your time to build your audience, create your following, and oh my God, there's nothing as good as this. Honestly, you may not see the results in the beginning, but trust me, as you keep going and going and going, you would love it. You will love it. You would enjoy it. That's the truth. This is a great one for passive income. If you want to check it out, you can. You don't have to put your face out there in the camera if you don't want to. There are lots and lots of faceless channels. Like I'm running one as well, a news channel. You can do. There's so many faceless channels out there now that people are doing, and they're making their money. So if you don't want to show your face, if you're camera shy, and there are loads of apps that you can use to produce your videos now if you don't want to show your face. So there's nothing stopping you from making that income. There's nothing stopping you. You can only be the one stopping yourself. Choose out of this side also today and start making money. So if you're not camera shy, content creation is powerful. It takes time, but you too can become an income machine for you through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. And if you're also camera shy, like I said earlier, you can go faceless. So nothing at all is stopping you. Side hustles aren't just about more money, it's about more freedom. But it only works if you start. Pick one side hustle that fits your life and commit to doing it or trying it for the next 60 days. I have done mine for 1 year now, and I can tell you, it's been an amazing journey. More beautiful stories are coming out from this very platform. Be patient, it only takes time. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a like and share on to others, and let me know which of these points stood out for you. Have you tried any side hustle? Share your experience in the comment section down below, and let's hear from you. Thank you so much, amazing people. On my end screen here, you're going to see a video here. Please do well to watch it, as it promises you great value. Thanks so much for my returning subscribers and viewers always coming back to check my videos. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe, as I promise you a wholesome content every other day. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.